today we're gonna be playing. Get the sound on. Yeah. Nobody. Let's survive it. I bet they'd survive it. I bet, no. It's a cool car. Yeah, that's a cool. Some cool people, like, I don't know. Definitely not me. Yeah, it's better now. Now you can hear me. So, yeah. So we're gonna be playing Car Crashers and let's do Magnets because that's my favorite and it does have a boost. I just love doing this. Hey. Destroy. Okay. Exactly. Disappear. I don't want to. By the way, guys, if you think I cannot hear anything because I'm actually wearing a hoodie right now, and that just makes the fact. I'm gonna make it. Should be broken by now. Got max scraps. What do I need scraps for? Yeah, I'm kind of dumb. Whichever. You got the right, guys. Since. Okay. Guys, I'm so bad at driving. You just. Oh my god, that was so cool. I just see you. That was so cool. We literally just flipped. Oh my god, I literally just flipped like. Also, guys, I swear one day I will edit very good. Probably. Yeah, I've been watching tutorials. No, everybody can do it. Everybody needs help. And if you I gotta just randomly. Oh my god. Oh, you have PvP. Oh, you think you can run away? Yeah, exactly. Yoink. Yeah, exactly. You can't turn as fast as me. Oh wait, sorry, what's that? You can't turn. Yeah, well, I already turned away from you. Oh, I just came back to him. He won't see me, right? I mean, I didn't get a scrap from it. What? What did I hit? Air? D? I don't wanna. I'm probably gonna lose. And I literally hit nothing. And oh my god, my just going crazy. I'm not even going that fast, so it's just because of. Oh my god. Yeah, I should probably just follow the road. I wish I knew how to drive. Mate, I wish I knew how to drive. Yeah, I really wish I could drive a little better. I have to drive in the middle, which is breaking laws, because apparently you have to drive at the right side. Yeah, I actually knew that. I just don't do it because it's not comfortable. I don't care if you say it's not how. It's just the law. Oh, I'm about to make. Think you never said that. Go. Max speed. Yes. Let's go max speed. Nah. Oh, it actually broke. Cool. Yeah. Understand how I have max scribes. Why is max 2000 is max? Tokens. Yeah, right. I can type in here. What are tokens? And that's why I need scraps. Rims. No, I like my type of rims. It's really different. Cool. Oh, purple. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my god, this one's so much better. Yeah. Turbo power. Yeah, I can invest this scrap pretty fast, right? I don't know how you get scraps from. That's not that much. Stupid. I got turbo power. You think I don't? I don't know how to turn it on and I don't know what it is, but I know it's cool. Ow. It's not cool, and that is something I won't like. Now with my turbo power, I believe from all the way. It's not a big deal. What to do? Yeah. What do you mean rude? What did I say that makes you say that I'm rude? What did I do? I'm not rude. Who said that? I'm gonna smack them. I'm gonna smack them. Slap them. Ow. Stop. I can't drive it correctly. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Wait. There's one more. Oh my god, I'm unconscious again. My car's ready. Stupid. Oh my god. So stupid. No. I swear, if this video gets copyright claim, which YouTube probably will make it for no reason. I don't know the reasons that YouTube gives, but I didn't copyright claim and I didn't copyright anything. What are you talking about? What would it cop? You did not look at the sign. Did nothing. It said nothing, okay? Yep, thank you. You heard nothing what I said because I actually don't know what I say. I was actually saying in my mind and I didn't clear the thought move, so it's like, give me, yeah. The times I've just done that for no reason because I'm already at max. In 5 minutes? Yeah, sure. Do we got enough time? Yeah, sure, we do. Oh, shoot, we don't. I'm actually just gonna. Oh! I can still drive. I possibly lied. Think my engine broke down. I do not know how to drive. Yeah, sure. I just want to get smacked. There's still parts left. Yeah, I don't like when there's little scrambles left. And think of still some scrambles left. Oh my god, I don't like when this. Drop the hammer. Is there anything now? Little mighty boy. Get in there. I quit. That thing will not. So that's it. Ow. Oh, I'm stuck in. Okay. I'm not. I possibly have broken a wheel and things are levitating magically because it cannot possibly be holding a humanly possible human with this kind of engine steam when it doesn't work. I swear I was driving normally. Nothing has hit me. Is there a ghost in this thing? Things are actually just levitating now. You know, as incompetent as I am, I will not let you drive because you must. Oh my god, it's so cool. Look, tire, wheel. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus. Oh, things. I can still sit in it. Ow. I don't think I like that. Is there still time for them race? I don't know, probably not. This video has been just me crashing because I do not know how to drive physically and honestly, getting scraps is easy. So I really, if you want to get any of these things, I think you should actually pay in scraps since getting scraps is as easy as doing that. And your wheel just broken, the tire is out, and you can still drive. Yeah. So in confident, I don't know what that means. I hope that's not a bad word. I don't know what it means. My wheel is still going crazy. Find chest. Sure, I can look for the chest. It's probably not in the second one. And I think I know where the chest is in there. I don't think tanks are fast. No, a fast tank is just not a thing. I mean, because it's small, you know, it's just not a thing. Finding the chest. Here at the racing more, I'm gonna find this chest, and this chest has to be in this hole because it's a hole. No one will I'm gonna crash into this. So no one finds it, and I also don't find. Why you think you're fast? You're. There is definitely something there. You just drove over. Do not appreciate that as much as. Go to park. Find a parkway. Where is the bin? Crash into the chest. There's 18 seconds to crash into the chest, and I crashed into air. Oh, where chest? Help! Find me! Need chest! Yeah, guys. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Bye, guys. Hope you have a great day and Uh, I don't know why anyone would need a link to this game, but I'm just gonna link this game in the description. Yeah, bye guys.